Hey everybody, welcome back to my success channel. I'm Rita C, and today I'm going to talk about how to crop images with the Microsoft Paint application. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to get more how-to videos. If you have a Windows computer, you should already have the Paint application installed. So first I want to show you my project. This is a PowerPoint project and I needed a number 10. The first thing I did was go to Pexels, found a 10. This is the one I like, so copy and paste. Right click, copy image, back to PowerPoint, right click, paste. As you can see, it is rectangular and I do not want it rectangular. I want it more circular. So I'm going to double click. Then I can go to my picture format and just kind of play around with the different frames. I like this one, but not quite. This is the one I like with the soft edge. So I click on this, but it's an oval and not a circle. I want it more circular, more even. So that's where the Paint application comes in. So we're going to go down to the search bar. Type in Paint, open the application, and since the image is already on my clipboard, I can simply do Control V to paste it. Okay, so now it's time to crop. I'm going to click on the word crop, and then I'm going to, as evenly as I can, hold down my left mouse and draw around it. Okay, release, click crop again. Now this is my new image. So now I'm going to save it. Click on my save. I'm going to call it A10 save. Okay, now let's go back to the PowerPoint. I'm going to get rid of this oval. I'm going to get rid of this one so you can see that I'm going to put in a new one. Now go to Insert, find the picture on my device, Pictures, and there it is. Sir. Now it's looking better already, but I still want that circular effect. So I'm going to here, find the soft edges. Now I have a new image. And that's how you can use Paint to crop your images. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like this video and subscribe so you can get more how-tos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.